Video merchandising done properly offers more benefit to the dealer's marketing strategy than from an aesthetic point of view alone. It will benefit you in the metrics that we know Google takes into consideration when it comes to ranking. The biggest misconception is that all video content on a dealership's website is created equal. You want vehicle safety features and OEM videos. Got them. You want 360 cursor grab and turn type technology. Got that too. You want increased on-site engagement from a video that doesn't take the consumer off your site into YouTube. Got that too. All of this is conveniently found within our interactive, high-definition, dynamic video player. You might ask, what about building my YouTube content? Well, guess what? We have that too. It's automated and optimized for maximum SEO, making your content easier to find on Google and within the YouTube network. You know, that second largest search engine. You might be saying, oh, this sounds great, but maybe you've switched to merchandising your inventory internally and no longer need a photography lot service. Guess what? We have that covered too. Our DYI mobile app allows fast and easy video and photo distribution to all your third-party sites and YouTube. Finally, our Dealer Video Solutions mobile app and for desktop allows everyone in your dealership to create and distribute original content as well as video messaging customers from our customizable landing page, keeping them fully engaged with your brand. When inventory normalizes, you're going to want to be ahead of your competitor. So reach out to get started today.